So what are you doing, buddy?
Because I was going to make a funny
What are you making?
Incredible boy.
Incredible boy?
No. Noah.
What are you making?
No.
What is this?
No.
Is it a house?
No, it's Incredible Boy.
Incredible Boy.
No, it's not.
Incrediboy?
No.
Astro Boy?
Astro Boy, because I'm going to make an Astro Boy like him.
Oh. Is this how Uncle Frank makes it?
Yes, because he cooks it.
He cooks it? Is this how Uncle Frank cooks?
Yes.
Oh.
Because
What?
then we can see Frank tomorrow.
Maybe we can.